Route history. Each time you complete a route, the jobs assigned to that route are removed from My Transport Planner and are saved so that they can be retrieved and viewed at your convenience. My Transport Planner saves your routes for 30 days. To view your saved routes, select Route Planner from the main menu bar, then Route History from the drop-down menu. On the Routes History screen, you can see a list of all the routes that have been planned. Routes History can be searched by date, using the filters at the top of the page, or ordered by date by clicking on the arrow at the top of the Date header column. To view a saved route, click on the three dots to the right of the route and select View Details, which will display the Routes History details screen. This screen shows statistical information for the route, together with all the resources that were used to complete the chosen route on that day. The top section of the screen displays the route statistics. You can see information in respect of resources used together with jobs, and information regarding the quantity, cost, revenue, time, and distance of the planned routes. Beneath these statistics are displayed the individual resources used for the selected route. To view the individual jobs within a saved route, click on the arrow to the left of the resource name, and the jobs completed by that resource will be displayed under the resource. Clicking to the right of any individual job will allow you to view the details of the job. Select Back to return to the Routes History details screen. To view the journey of an individual resource, click on the three dots to the right of the resource and select View Route, and the route details page is displayed. The map displays the route of your resource, and the numbered icons display the sequence of visits within the route. To the side of the map, the statistics of the route are displayed, and the individual jobs for the route are listed beneath. Each job's details can be viewed by selecting the three dots to the right of the job and clicking on View Details. Press Back to return to the Routes History details screen. To export the individual route, click on Export at the top right of the screen, and you can choose between exporting in Excel file format or PDF. Select Back to return to the Routes History details screen. If you want to view all of the routes on a map, select View All Routes on the top right of the screen. Here you can see each of the completed routes. Colours relate to the key to the right of the resources in the table. To view the individual jobs within a route, click on the down arrow to the left of the route and the jobs will be displayed underneath. Click Back to return to the Routes History details screen. To export information for all of the routes, click on Export at the top of the Routes History details screen and choose between Excel file format or PDF. Press Routes History to return to the summary screen.